We're at the Wigtown Show. Just gonna show you a little bit around here. Lots of things going on. We have horses in the distance, and riders, old tractors, all sorts of things. I'm here by the craft and lifestyle marquee where I have my stall. I'll show you how it looks like inside. Okay. This is my table. Beautiful artwork. Stunning artworks. I love these. Lots of dogs, as usual, at the market. Beautiful plants as well. More beautiful artwork. I'll show you a bit more from here. That's the way we came. Did our setup here by the tent and then parked away in the main car park behind. We need these bands which show we are exhibiting so we can walk around. Lots of people around. Okay, going back inside, film a bit more. Sorry. A lady doing paintings, people around there, and back at the store. We've got hazel as usual. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video.